Hello, good evening everyone. So welcome back to our MR classes. We are solving mathematical physics chapter Taylor series question number 3 of exercise 25.1. In this question we need to find again the radius of convergence of the power series. Somewhere this question is typical. So let us understand from the starting only. From here what is given to us, that AN is given as 1. Just give me a minute so that you can see properly. An we can write 1 plus 1 by n power n square into z power n. So from here I can write this term as an equals to 1 plus 1 by n power. N square means what? N into z power n. So I can take the power common. So 1 plus 1 by n power 1n I will take here common, and z I will multiply, and I can take this as whole power n, because n I can multiply it with n, then that will be n square only, and here zn. So I can write an equals to 1 plus 1 by n power n whole power n into z and then whole power n. So from here we can write an power 1 by n. I am taking this n to that side, then an power 1 by n is equal to what? 1 plus 1 by n power n into z. That is the value of an. So from here what can we take? From here we can do one more thing. Just see here that 1 plus 1 by power n into z is equal to what? An power 1 by n. So now put the limit as n equals to infinity. Then an power 1 by n will be equals to what? Putting limit n tends to infinity, then 1 plus 1 by infinity whole power infinity into z. So its value will be what? Limit we can remove, then 1 power infinity into z. So that means e into z. So this is what? A n power 1 by n. 1 by n I am taking it as there only, and I am taking it by keeping the limit there, then we can get the value. Now from here what can we do? The next step, just see. From here I can write that an equals to what? E power n into z power n only. Okay, so from here now I can we can take this function as an or something else also, as a Taylor series f of x we can also take. So from here I can write that the 1 by r, that is radius of convergence, is equal to what? Limit n tends to infinity, or n tends to 0 to infinity, and that will be an plus 1 divided by an. That is a general formula. So from here I can write an plus 1 equals to what? E power n plus 1, as an we can take now e power n only. So from here an equals to what? E power n only. Now keeping these values over the question, then e power n plus 1 divided by en. So it's 1 by r. 1 by r value will be equals to what? 1 by r value will be equals to what? That will be equals to e power n plus 1 means e power 1 only. So from here we can write that r value will be equals to 1 by e. So this is the radius of convergence for that answer. Thank you. Have a good day. Please share, like and subscribe the channel. I would be thankful to you. Thank you. Have a good day.